State leaders are ramping up their push to vaccinate youth against COVID-19 across New York. This is 4 new deaths and 185 additional infections were reported here in Chautauqua County. According to the county's COVID-19 dashboard, there are now 466 cases active countywide with 34 people in the hospital. Of the new cases reported from over the weekend, 80 are in the Jamestown area. As for vaccinations, New York State's Department of Health reporting 68,000 people have received at least 1 dose of the vaccine, making up 53% of the population. The 7-day average percent positivity rate is at 9.1%, and the CDC continuing to mark our area under a high level of community transmission. New York Governor Kathy Hochul today continued her push to get youth 12 to 17 vaccinated against the virus as part of her #VaxToSchool campaign.
We're hitting the road. We're taking vans out there. I announced a couple weeks ago, we announced a Vax to School campaign. And we're targeting the communities with low vaccination rates among young people, particularly communities of color. And we set up a web page for parents. We set up all kinds of information. And I also said we're going to bring pop-ups. We'll make it so easy on you. And that's what you see behind me.
The governor says over the next 12 weeks, the State Department of Health will be working with localities, community-based organizations, and healthcare centers on the ground to establish 120 new vaccination sites in all regions of the state. In partnership with the state, each region will be hosting 2 new events per week. There will also be additional outreach efforts tailored to best meet those communities. As for vaccinations here locally, the State Department of Health reporting 68,000 people have received at least 1 dose of the vaccine, making up 53% of the population. There are no more than 62,000 people considered to be fully vaccinated.